we got this recipe from Raley's meal kit, and we liked it so much that we decided to keep making it. We like it because it's so simple and it doesn't get any pans dirty, just the mixing bowl and a fork, which we used anyway. First, put some cauliflower in a microwave-safe bowl. Yum! And anyway, these little stem things, you can just throw them away. When your bowl is full, cover it because you want to steam the cauliflower without the water evaporating out of the bowl, and you want it to be all soft so that you can mash it and microwave it to death for 5 minutes per bunch. Even longer if you want it smooth. I did a little over 2 bunches, so I'd say probably about 12 minutes. Add an herbed goat cheese or any other small herbed cheese. Ours is 5 ounces, so about 2.5 ounces per small bunch. Add 2 tablespoons milk or cream. A sprinkle of salt and pepper. And then mash it all together with a fork. No. This cauliflower is pretty hard to break off. This cauliflower is exploding everywhere when I break off pieces.